Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve for the value of t given this nice exponential equation which is 9 to power t. This is equal to 54. So what is the value of t? Solution, we have 9 to power t. This is equal to 54. To solve for the value of t, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So here we'll have log 9 to power t. This is equal to log 54. So log 9 to power t, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then log 9 to power t becomes t log 9. This is equal to log 54. Let's divide both sides by log 9. So if you simplify here, you'll have t is equal to log 54 divided by log 9. We can express 54 as 9 times 6. Substituting this, we'll have t is equal to log 9 times 6 divided by log 9. So log 9 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Now applying this property, then here we'll have t is equal to log 9 divided by log 9 plus log 6 divided by log 9. Let's simplify here log 9 and log 9, which is 1, so that t will be equal to 1 plus log 6 divided by log 9. Now from here we can express 6 as 2 to power 3, and we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. Now substituting this, we'll have t equal to 1 plus, now this is log 2 times 3 divided by log 9, which is log 3 to power 2. So let's proceed from here. Now we have t is equal to 1 plus log 2 times 3 divided by log 3 to power 2. This we can express as 1 plus log 2 to power 3. We can express this as log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2 plus log 3 divided by log 3 to power 2. The next step is applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n. This can be expressed as n log a. Applying this property, then this implies that we have t equal to 1 plus log 2 divided by log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3, then plus here we have log 3 divided by log 3 to power 2, which can be expressed as 2 log 3. Let's simplify here log 3 and log 3, so that now we'll have t equal to 1 plus half log 2 divided by log 3. The next step is that we have 1 plus half. This is the same thing as, this is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 2 divided by log 3. We can express log 2 over log 3 as log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then this implies that t will be equal to 3 over 2 plus half log 2 to base 3. And given that a half is common here, we can factor out, so that now we'll have the value of t as a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is the value of t. This is the value of t. Let's verify that this value of t actually satisfies the equation. Let's verify. Now let's verify that the value of t, which is a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. If you recall here, we entered 9 to power t. This should give us a value of 54. Let's substitute the value of t, so that we'll have 9 to power a half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. The next step is that we can express 9 as 3 to power 2. Let's substitute this. We'll have 3 to power 2 times 1 over 2. Into the parentheses, we'll have 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Let's simplify here by 2, here by 2, so that now we have 3 to power 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, we find that 3 to power 3 plus log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have that 3 to power 3 times 3 to power log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. So we find that 3 to power 3, this is the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. This is 3 times 3, this is 9. 9 times 3, this is 27. So we have that 27 times 3 to power log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 54. Now, the next step is that 3 to power log 2 to base 3, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. And that implies that 3 to power log 2 to base 3, this is supposed to be equal to 2. Let's substitute this, so that here we have 27 times 3 to power log 2 to base 3, which is equal to 2. So let's substitute 2 here. This should give us a value of 54. So 27 times 2, this is 54, which is equal to 54. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of t, which is equal to half into the parentheses 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.